Hey guys, welcome back to the Pristine Auto Clean YouTube channel, and in front of us we have, I just picked up a new hoopty, the dump truck, shop truck, whatever you want to call it. It's a 2010 F250 with 400,000 miles on the odometer, and we'll just give you the, obviously it's dirty, but it's crunchy, AC blows like wind chill, it runs, drives, stops. For what I need it for, put a dirt bike in the bed, it's a perfect truck. But I own a recon shop, so you know we're gonna run through it. And we're just gonna do the outside. The interior is broached, and that's part 2, so make sure you guys subscribe for that. Before all the keyboard warriors come at me, just know this is my vehicle. It was $1,500. I'm doing everything the fastest possible way, the crudest way, so don't take it personal. This is not how I would actually detail somebody's vehicle. It's a $1,500 hoopty that we're just trying to get white again. Treat. We're gonna hit it with the bug sponge. Yes, we're gonna put a bunch of marks in it. You know, just like the big dent we have right here. We don't care. It's my truck. We're gonna scrub it. We're gonna go with crevices and whatnot. And we're gonna rinse it off. We're just gonna clay it while we're here. But as you can see, if you know your chemicals, you can get really good results. Can you hear it literally scratching the surface? Oh, I'm probably pissing off the whole detail community doing this, but do you really care about adding a couple marks to a 400,000 mile pickup truck? Don't think so. Now, is this really a satisfying detail video without some foam cannon action? And all this is a little bit of car wash shampoo mixed with a little bit of all-purpose. It's going to rehydrate all those soils while we bang out the wheels. the rust. Yep, just keep on going. On like our 35th step for this wash, we pre-treat it with a special chemical. Let's just say it's a lot cheaper than iron remover. It's right underneath your nose. If you know, you know. After an extensive decon wash, about 2.5 hours later, we finally are going to apply some protection. Wet on wet application of a ceramic detail spray. Spray it on, let it dwell for a few minutes, rinse it off, and every time we wash this thing after this, we'll give it another application, and we'll never have to physically apply a sealant or a wax to this thing. Alright guys, it's like 4 days later. I've got to film an outro for this, but I want to show you guys the F250 Super Hoopty transformation. It's nice and white. Neutralized a lot of the rust. She still needs a polish, but she looks good. That's about all I got. The video's so-so. I reviewed some footage, and you really cannot capture how bad this thing was as far as the amount of rust that was on it and the contamination, but it's now somewhat presentable. Slap a set of fender flares on the back, and she's gonna look decent for 1,500 bucks. You can't go wrong. Work truck, can't ask for much more than that. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace.